Good evening, this is Brecht from X-Cube Games, and tonight I'm gonna talk about my Photon game. I worked on a little bit more, and then a little bit on work I did for a client. So first off, the work I did for myself. Basically, I fixed an issue with lag that was due to respawn because I had a lot of RPC calls that eventually I had to go through before eventually my avatar got disabled. This means that I had a lag of about more than 200 milliseconds before my avatar got disabled after he actually died, which is a huge delay, and it was very noticeable in game, and it did not feel good at all. So I had to cut this delay down by setting my avatar to disabled a bit earlier, like as soon as I could, and then I would do the other functionality that was needed after that. So I split up my RPCs a little bit more to have more speeds. But I don't know, I feel like I still lack a lot of speed, because if I check my Photon server settings, I only have 14 ms ping to the closest EU server. So that's very fast, but I don't, when I actually check my lag times with the debug timer, I get about like 100 milliseconds for a single round trip. So this means from one client to the other and back. This takes about 100 milliseconds right now, which is quite a lot, because sometimes I need to make even more hops. I need to make double amount of hops, and then you get 200 ms, and 200 ms is very disturbing when people are playing. So it's not something you want to be dealing with in real time. I think 100 ms is definitely the maximum to be able to enjoyably play games at real time, at least. I'm not saying for some card game you don't need that, but I'm making a shooter, so I definitely need that. I actually would need even more, but I don't really know how to do that right now. So right now I have the score system as well, which is basically kill-death ratio, and I will do more. I will do control selection, add some abilities, some menus, so basically wrap it up into more or less nice of a demo. And I'll also try implementing microtransactions, because this is something I always wanted to know how to actually implement in my games. So it's just like an interesting learning project, and I think after this I have enough knowledge to start making my first game. It won't be like really good networking code, but it will be good enough to get it up and running and make it, more or less playable, which will be nice for my game. So other than that, today I also worked a bit for a client, and in his game I implemented a dash mechanic. So whenever the player moves and you press dash, you press the button for dash, he will actually move faster for it's almost like some kind of a jump he does. He will move really fast for a short amount of time, so he's like dashing forward, and then he goes back to normal movement speed. That's more or less how it works. It's not that linear, because there's drag involved, and it's working with the Unity physics engine. Well, Unity physics engine is actually NVIDIA physics, but that's the one Unity is using. So I did that dash mechanic, and then also something similar. He had a gun which should also be able to do the same thing, except now you dash in the opposite direction of the gun that fires. So it's kind of like a rocket launcher in Quake Live or something. You do rocket jumps. It's a bit like that, but in 2D. A little bit, not exactly, but a little bit. So yeah, this was basically what I did today. I have to do some more work this evening, but that's gonna be it. I hope to get at least my control selection done and maybe start on my abilities, or if that's not the case, then I should be able to gain a bit more understanding about lag and what's causing so much lag in my game. So that was it for today. I'm Xscript Games, logging out. If you like the video, leave a like. Please leave a like and subscribe. It will help me out a lot. If you don't. And have a good night. I'll see you later. Bye.